Hey everybody, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're doing a quick Photoshop tutorial. I want to show you how to put text behind the subject. I use this technique very often to create YouTube thumbnails, and for this tutorial I'm gonna use a picture of Kelsey. She's doing travel vlogs on YouTube and editing her videos and also her thumbnails. So yeah, if you wanna check her out, I'll put a link for her YouTube channel or your Instagram down below in the description. So first of all, we go to the top on select and select subject, and now it will automatically mask out our subject. It usually does a pretty good job, but sometimes it's missing something like the arm here, so you can extend it manually by using the brush tool. It doesn't need to be 100% perfect for this tutorial, so that's okay. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna do right click on our subject, select and mask. So now you can see what you're gonna mask out. As you can see, the arm is not perfect, but for what we're gonna do, it doesn't matter. So we just press OK. And the next step, gonna do right click again and layer via copy. So as you can see, we've created another layer only with the subject, and our next step is the text. So we're gonna just type in example text. Gonna make it a little bit bigger. I'll change the color to white, that it looks a little bit better for you. Okay, quick and easy. The only thing we need to do now is to put the layer on top of the text. And yeah, as you can see, easy as that. Now our text is behind the layer. What we can do as well is to let the text a little bit more pop. So we're gonna go down here to FX. And we put a little stroke to the text layer. This new window will open up. I'm gonna change the color to red. And yeah, here you can try whatever you want. You can use it outside, the center, or the inside. You can see what's changing. Personally, I like outside the most, so I'm gonna use this. Alright, that was the tutorial on how to put text behind your subject. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.